Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel on YouTube website. So first, make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to go to the YouTube website. After that, you will need just to sign in up with a new account that includes your channel, email, and the channel name and not your personal one. So each account or each Google account is considered as a channel. So as you can see here, I'm only using a personal email on my YouTube, and here I can find your channel here. So basically in this panel, you can see all your subscription, etc., etc. And this is my channel. And after you create your own channel, you will be able to edit it by clicking on your channel, customize channel, or you can go to the YouTube studio where you can start like modifying and editing your channel. Even if I go to customize channel, it will take me to the studio creator. So basically here we have the dashboard where you can see like the channel analytics, the content you post or you upload, the analytics for your channel, how many views, etc., etc. And basically you have many things that you can say, like the copywriting for your channel, like the removal requests, and also the earning for your videos. So you can have like membership and you have other things. Of course, you can have some other settings like the currency, and there is a variety of things that you can do to your channel so you can be able to control it and to have more control on your channel. And also, you can start creating content on your new YouTube channel. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.